Welcome to Church Media Production. I'm Andrew, and today we're going to be looking at removing the noise from your videos using Adobe Audition. So let's get started. So here's some footage that I recorded with the new GoPro Hero 7. And when you play it, you can kind of hear that slight background noise there. So what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of that. So the first thing we're going to do is right click our clip, go to Edit in Adobe Audition. And what that will do is it'll render out this little clip. If you have multiple clips, you can select them all at once too, and then that will pull it all in one go. Otherwise, you can keep clicking and selecting as you go. It's just up to you. And then that will open Audition. Alright, and then the first thing once I get into Audition I do is I have this match loudness window or little plugin that I always do. If you need that, if you don't have that and you want to use it, you can go to Window, Match Loudness. And I usually do -15 for the target loudness. So all you do to run that is you just drag it down, you click Run, and that will actually kind of level out your audio to whatever you want. And then the next thing we do to get rid of the noise is we'll need to find a little piece of the clip that doesn't have any talking. So like right there, we can click and drag to select it. If you listen there, you can kind of hear the noise. So like right there is pretty good. So that's what we want to try to get rid of as much as we can. Okay, so what we want to do is if you go up to Effects, Noise Reduction Process, and then you want to hit Capture Noise Print, and that will capture the print off of this highlighted area. And then you can go ahead and hit Select Entire File. And then when you hit play here, as long as you have this toggle power state on, you can preview what it will sound like. And then if you listen now, you can kind of hear that the sounds pretty much went away.
Shelf through and fabricator. Shelf fabricator through.
And you can go ahead and remove that.
This is Josh.
A little bit more if you want.
Hello. Billy Welder. Yeah, Billy Welder, man. That's Josh himself.
And then if you turn it off, you hear how much louder that is.
You're missing some dip. Yep. So anyways, this is Josh.
And then all you have to do, you can go ahead and hit Apply. I'll go ahead and run it. And then you can go File. I usually do Save All. Normally I have more clips than just one in here at a time. Then you go ahead and quit Audition. And then when you go ahead and play this in here, you'll notice your clip goes from blue to green because it makes this new audio extracted clip and replaces your original audio. If you ever need to get the original audio back, you can right click and you can do Restore Unrendered. And then that will basically give you your old audio back. And then once you play it,
my right hand fabricator.
And of course my computer doesn't do too great with the 4K footage, but you can at least hear the audio and get the idea.
But anyway, so looks like you probably already watched us.
And that is all you need to do. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, be sure to click that subscribe button followed by the little bell icon. Make sure you leave us a comment and a thumbs up, and we will see you next time.